Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 F-PACE. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.